Hey friends, welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to check in online in Bahamas Air. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for Bahamas Air. This is the keyword. Go to official Bahamas website. This is for flight and check-in. This is a website, as you can see here. All you have to do, go to web check. So when you go to web check, go to Google, search for Bahamas tickets. So friends, ticket reservation. So all you have to do, you can get your ticket instructions from here. Write your PNR number. Go to Google, search for Bahamas Air ticket PNR number. After that, friends, you will get your PNR number from here. You can extract your PNR number and then click on surname. After write your surname, click check in. So friends, this is how you can do. It is easy steps. Just write your PNR number and then write your surnames and then click check in. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content and see you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comments and I will answer your question as soon as possible.